Hello, this is Dana. In my 5-minute tutorial today, what I thought I'd introduce you to is a program called OneNote. If you have any of the latest versions of the Office suite or you have Windows 10, you will have this application on your computer, but most people don't use it. Most people continue to take their notes on post-it paper or maybe a notepad, a lined notepad when you go into meetings. And this is just an electronic notebook tool that's supposed to replace that. And for its collaboration capabilities, I highly recommend it. So basically, I could take notes and put this notebook in a place where we can share it with the entire team. You could track all the emails that were sent to you on a particular project or for a particular client and track all those and put them in the same area and have them electronically stored instead of looking back through your email from like 3 years ago. So there's so much stuff that you can attach to this or keep in this. It's just an electronic area where you can keep everything that relates to something. All right, so I have opened up a brand new workbook here, and it automatically comes with one section and one page in that section. Now, OneNote is akin to a 3-ring binder, so I can add sections to this 3-ring binder, and within each section, I can add pages. You can add as many sheets of paper as you need into a section. Now, how you name these pages is you just go in and you give it a name up here at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is Project Notes, and I'll date it. Right, you can actually name your section. So this is going to be my project 1. This is the next project that I'm working on. This is my project 2. And you can organize your notebook however you want to. These could be meeting minutes, can be whatever. So this could be like one type of meeting. This could be a different type of meeting. And you're keeping track of all your meeting minutes and action items in one place as well. All right, but I have some notes here. The cool thing about OneNote versus using Microsoft Word to actually take your notes is you can type anywhere on the screen. You're not stuck with the top left corner. I can come over here and take a note. I can click down here and take a note, anywhere I want to take notes. All right, then you can resize these boxes that they go in, these little note boxes. You can move stuff around. You can insert all kinds of things. I can insert pictures, audio, video, information coming from Excel. I can attach or print out and include an entire slideshow in here if I wanted to. And this page just grows, as you add information down here. It's really big. There's no set size to this, so it's not really like you're stuck to an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, which is kind of cool. I can also go to the draw menu. A lot of times people will have something akin to an iPad, or you can maybe take off your keyboard and you walk around the facility taking notes about stuff. If you prefer, you can use your little pen. I'm just going to use my finger here, and I have a touch screen, so I'm just writing my name on here. So you can use your little pen to circle stuff or to point stuff or to, underline and mark something as important. And the wonderful thing about all these notes and how Notepad works is it integrates with Outlook. So if I choose to, I can just take all of my notes and I can email them to someone if I need to email them. So versus typing up all your notes later that you just wrote in, it just takes all of your notes and it's in an email ready to send to somebody or to yourself. I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. Another big reason that OneNote is used is to take meeting minutes in a central place that other people can get to them. So if you can imagine this notebook that I'm in using OneNote example, if you store it on a shared area or a shared network drive where multiple people can get to it, you can take meeting minutes. So what I could do is I can start with Outlook and I could be in a meeting. So I have a Zoom call today, so I want to take some meeting minutes on that. I'm just going to go ahead and double click it. And when I'm in here, I can go in and take my meeting notes. So I'm going to go ahead and take my meeting notes. I want to, right now, take my notes. And it's going to say, Dana, where would you like to put your notes? So I'm going to put them in that using OneNote example that I've been using. So I'm going to go ahead and say that's where I want to put it. And I'll put it in this new section right here. And I'll go ahead and click OK. And then I'm in my new section, ready to take my notes. So when I'm having the meeting, I can take all kinds of notes in regards to that meeting, whatever the agenda is or anything. What you can also do is you can have to-dos if you have action items. So from this list, here are the things I have to do. Thing 1, thing 2, thing 3, So this is all stuff that I have to do when I leave this meeting. You can also, if you prefer, this again has high integration with Outlook. I can highlight these action items and I can assign them. So I can go to Outlook tasks and I can assign them to myself, or if I go into this custom, I have the option to assign it to somebody else as well. So I can take this and instead of assigning it to me on a certain date, so I need to start it on this and it's due on this date, instead of assigning it to myself, I can come up here and assign the task to somebody else. So I can give this job to somebody else. I'm just going to give it to my husband. He gets to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and actually let me cancel out of that. That's his work address. But I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this and you can just send it on its way. So I'll cancel that assignment. All right, but anyhow, that's just some of the integration options that Outlook gives you. It's this not Outlook, I'm sorry, OneNote gives you. It's this great application that allows you to create notes in a central place, create whatever type of notes. It just has fabulous integration features for recording audio and video. That's great as well. If you need to have a place you can go back and watch that video or audio again, you can record what's going on in a meeting, or again, why it was used originally is to take notes for college students. So there's this link note feature to the notes that I'm taking right here are directly linked to maybe a PowerPoint slideshow and the particular slide on that PowerPoint slideshow. So awesome integration. If you're interested in learning more, just let me know. Have a great day, everyone.